UGears, based in Miami, Florida, has taken to Kickstarter this week and already blasted past its required pledge goal thanks to over 760 backers who have helped bring their mechanical models into production. The team at UGears create unique models inspired by historical mechanisms from the Middle Ages. Check out the demonstration video below to learn more and see them in action. Some of the designs are inspired by real-life prototypes while others represent an original reimagining of historical mechanisms and the creatures, explains UGears. UGears continues to explore the mystery of mechanics, and this March exclusively on Kickstarter we present 11 absolutely new creations. Our engineers and designers invested all of their creativity and passion into this new fascinating range: the horse mechanoid, the arch ballista tower, the tower windmill, the stagecoach, the V-Express steam train with tender, the secret model, the roadster, the aviator, the bike, the heavy boy long hauler with the trailer, and the flexi-cubus. They are ready to become your companions in an exciting adventure through the ages on the way to discover the evolution of mechanics. Mechanist model kits are available from just $30 for super early bird backers, with worldwide delivery expected to take place during July 2018.